then do that, you know, do that.
Yeah, that's something like something I use for season something, but I'm not pour it out.
She want the corner, my location. She want to dominate on top with this in my plantation.
Welcome back, guys. Oh, guys, I feel like my shop crackers, but yes, you're at the right place. This is PETITE-SUE Divinitì, and we're doing another get ready with me today, but today it's kind of more like of a more realistic kind of get ready with me. We're getting ready to go to the airport, okay, because your girl is going to Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica Carnival, and I'm so excited. By the time you see this video, I'm already in Jamaica, and I'm just doing a quick airport get ready with me. It's gonna be very like this is what I wanted it to be, you know, very kind of more realistic. At the comments right now, I'm not gonna be doing much. What I'm gonna take you guys through is my little 3 powder face beat, a very simple beat. Really, three product, gloss and 2 powders. That's all I do for this look. I don't do the eyebrows, nothing. I've been getting requests about this look, but anyway, right now I'm still a pack, guys. I'm still packing. And I don't even know if everything will go well. I don't like packing, you know. I really don't like packing because I always have way too much stuff. Oh my god, let me show you guys. By the way, I need you guys to know that this is actually a couple hours before my flight, so that's the reason why I guess this ties into the get ready with me. I'm pretty sure you probably wouldn't be like, but why are we seeing like your packing session? Like, wouldn't you have done that like the day before? So no, like this, because girl, yeah. So we're just gonna kind of speed through this real quick because I just need to really be done so I can go take a shower and just kind of relax, because I was working before this, guys. Like, that's just so much.
Good day, mama. Seem to take a step out. Get some air now.
Guys, so I finally got done with my packing for the most part. I'm 98% done with packing. All I need to do is put my whatever brush I'm gonna be using to just, you know, kind of just spruce up my face, and my bedside slippers, my house slippers in, and that's it. I'm bringing my laptop in my handbag, and I'm putting all my chargers in my carry-on. So yeah, I should be good, guys. You know why it's so much packages? It's all these, it's so much because I'm going to be there for a while, like, you know, and you know, to go out and all of that stuff. And plus I'm bringing like stuff not just for me, so it's like, it's a lot. But once I actually take out the stuff that are not for me, then it will be much lighter. So that's why it's a little overwhelmed. So I'm gonna work on just doing my hair first, and I'm just gonna pop on a pair of lashes, and then I'll come back. Just, you know, kind of just, you know, yeah. I just switch it around so that I could just look directly in the mirror. So I applied my lashes, very simple, not doing too much, kind of giving like a nice little cat eye effect and stuff. And it was just hair going through you guys' comments from the last vlog, and you guys are just so generous. I really appreciate how you guys really gave me like positive feedback, you know. That's what I love. Like, you know, somebody asked me since I started to wear foundation, girl, you're late, because I did start to incorporate it like probably a good 3 years now, you know. And so much of you guys really stuck beside me. A lot of you guys really like followed my tips, and to this day still don't wear foundation. I love that. And as you know, not all the time I do wear foundation. Yeah, so all I'm gonna do to my hair is pretty much wet it up, kind of go back over. Yeah, I kind of just spritz it with water, nothing too serious. Spritz it with water, and I'm gonna actually put a headband around it. Probably just, yeah, give it back this center part. The part is already in there, so I don't need to. And guys, if you need to see this this wig, detailed information on this wig, then the video is, it should be live. Yeah, it should be live. If it's not, then it's gonna be live soon on this channel, of course, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, as I said, today's get ready with me just more chill and stuff. But I need to shout out to everybody that, you know, gave their feedback that, oh, they would definitely support me if I have a wig line. Like that, yeah, as I said, that's something that I definitely want to do. So I didn't do anything to these edges, like more than just recurl them with my curling iron, and that was it. That was literally it. I didn't apply like any gel or anything, and to be honest, I prefer that soft like edge look rather than it being super paste down. You know, it all depends on the bag that you're going for still. But okay, so somebody had asked me to so she said, I do YouTube lifestyle vlogs, and she have 2 channels, and she decided she don't want to just stick to one niche on her lifestyle channel, so she be branching out, trying hauls and makeup. And she said, I wanted my vlog channel to be all-rounded. Do you think this is a good idea? I try not to watch the algorithm, and maybe that's why my channel growth is a struggle, but I don't want to be trapped in a box. Okay, at the end of the day, I feel like when you're creating content, you ultimately should be having fun. Okay, say hi. I don't want to think so not weird and one is in the background.
Hi, everyone. Keep up on yourself.
Yes.
Say I go left, man.
Guys, he's not coming on the trip. He has to work. A lot of people get trapped in that whole thing to watch their algorithm, and I get it. Like, you want to like see the growth in terms of your numbers and everything, but for me personally, a part of me don't always look at the numbers. Like, I know you guys know that for a fact. So you have to love what you're doing, and I feel like over time, if you really love what you're doing and you create great quality, like, you will get to where you want to be. But you also have to like you have to really sit down and think through like exactly what you want to do, and establish a pattern and a structure within that. So you don't want to kind of be all over the place. So if you want more like rounded content, I would say then establish a specific kind of schedule with it. So maybe on Monday people can expect a lifestyle video, and then on Wednesday, you know, you tap into your makeup, and Friday you do hair. So that would be a nice little structure, and I don't think anything is wrong with that. If you feel more fulfilled and happy doing that, then do that, you know, do that. Because at the end of the day, if your mental space isn't like well enough, it's gonna show like in what you're producing, you know. And that's a big thing for me. I try my best to anything I put out there, I'm actually like living it. I'm not faking it. And if even over here my beauty channel, it's like I actually love these type of stuff. That's something, even if it's one view I get in on a video, I love my hair. I love the hair. Yeah, I know they're sponsored, like, but at the same time, honestly, if I have one look rocking for like 5 days straight, I get so tired. You guys know me, I always say this in my vlogs and stuff. So, you know, you really have to be connecting with what you're actually producing. And if it is that you're doing makeup and you're really and truly just not feel it like that no more, it's a good show in what you're producing. So, you know, I mean, I've been talking and I've just been brushing this. This is a lot of hair still. I'm not gonna tell you a lie. It is a lot of hair. So I'm actually going to put this black headband. I actually was using it as a scrunchie just now. So that's how it looks. Just super simple. And now I'll go for nothing too, you know, over the top. And then I'm gonna just take this spoolie, and I'm not gonna do not much to the edges. I'm just brushing them back in that direction. So with my little my simple what is it now, makeup, simple, natural, supernatural, realistic, well, supernatural makeup routine, and I don't do this every day, even though it's so simple. It's just like, you know, if you're having a lazy day, you just want to, you know, kind of just make your face look a little presentable and stuff. This is what I'll do. And I feel like first with this kind of routine, you have to make sure that your skincare is actually, you know, working and it's going good for you and stuff, because if it's not, then I don't think it's gonna show, because it's a very minimal face routine. So all I do is I literally get some powder here. So you can get your banana powder, any highlight powder, and I just use this to kind of brighten up the eye, kind of keep that area awake. I don't necessarily put on anything on my face. Is like all is on my face right now is just moisturizer. Not moisturized, so you know you want to dip into your product. So this is some banana powder that I'm using, you know, and then I kind of just.
Yo, that sound like something I use for season something. Banana powder. It's banana powder for your face. Well, I don't know.
It brighten up the under eye portion and set your makeup.
Okay. You know, so they use batch lipstick though. You didn't know that. Like what? Of the bat to make lipstick. So you can tell me now, you're gonna put fire more than come kiss me.
Me tell you say me I put on lipstick though? Me did tell you that?
I mean,
me tell you say me how we reach a lipstick, sir? How we reach a lipstick?
but I got me here still. But when they got green got to give. I mean at 6th grade.
Ah boy. So I'm not applying any product to the eyebrows. No concealer, no nothing. You know it's microbladed, and I just got it freshly waxed the other day. So I just comb those upwards and that's it. And the next product is my face powder, guys. You know this Milani Warm 109. And I just lightly use this on all the other areas of the face. And this just balances out everything really nicely. And you just have a very light looking, like, you know, skin. Nice mattified. And everything just looks super natural looking. So, like, and I pat it in. Patting motions always. So for the final step, can you believe it? Final product for this whole natural, simple face look is my Lash night sleeping lip sleeping mask, I should say. So yeah, that's the one I have. I didn't show you guys in my previous Get Ready With Me. I've been using it and I can say, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna rate it like, yeah, I'm gonna say 7 out of 10 actually. I'm probably gonna say 7 out of 10. So I just use my fingers and I just take a little bit, scoop it up. And I have this right throughout the day, you know, so keeps my lips really nice and moisturized, no cracks, no nothing, no chapped lips, like super nice and moisturized. So I love this, and I sleep with it at night too, so you can't go wrong. Super simple, super fresh, and very natural, so yeah, that's it. So now for the outfit that I'm aware. My airport food. Let's get to it. See how simple it is? Super simple. Like, honestly, actually, I can't beat this. I can't have this. A 3-product face beat. 3 products. Like, and you could definitely not even do lashes if you don't want to. Like, it's totally up to you. So for my fit, it's super simple, super chill, very comfy. I'm just wearing this Savage X Fenty hoodie. I did show this in a recent Savage X Fenty haul that I did. It's on my blog channel. You could go ahead check it out. I'll link it down below. And I'm wearing these leggings, very simple. And then for shoes, my Yeezys. I kind of wear these everywhere. You know, I'm comfortable. You know, and I'm just I'm gonna wear some socks with that. So I'm just gonna change off in this now. I'm gonna go ahead and change. This is my bag. And that pretty much wraps up everything. I'm super ready to go. Like, look at the time, 1:51. So that's why I really didn't need to do like too much, because it's like it's early in the morning. I'm gonna be landing like at 9 a.m. though. So I just, but based on where I'm traveling from to the airport, you know, I just know what I'm working with, so I'm leaving out on time so I can reach the airport on time and all that. So yeah, guys, by the way, I do have a vacay prep vlog up on my vlog channel right now, so go ahead and check that out, and you guys can stick around to my vlog channel as well to see all the festivities that happens on my vacation to Jamaica for the carnival experience. I'm so happy. So yeah, as I say, in here to have my laptop, my purse. Yeah, so yeah, pretty simple. Kind of heavy though because I have my laptop in here, but I prefer to have my laptop in my bag than anywhere else. Whenever I put it in my carry-on, I still feel a little like, you know, because suppose something like, you know, the suitcase drop or something, you know, so I prefer to put it in my handbag. But yeah, let me know if that's only me or you're the same way. I don't know. But yeah, so that's where today's Get Ready With Me is gonna kind of like wrap up. I don't have much else to report. I just really wanted to show you guys it's really easy face routine, super natural, and I was getting so much requests to show it. So yeah, that's it. That's all. Super quick, super to the point, and I'll see you guys in my next Get Ready With Me. Don't forget, guys, go ahead and drop your topics and like questions and stuff down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next Get Ready With Me. Like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be, I'm not gonna even say nothing, but yeah, that's all. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.